Hello children, okay, this is Sandeep sir here from Vijay Tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain chemical properties of bases, okay, as well as pH values and importance of pH. Okay, now let's take a bases, reactions of bases. Bases will undergo less reactions compared to the acids. Okay, first one is what? A reaction with metal. Reaction with a metal. So generally, base react with a metal, it gives you what? A salt plus hydrogen. Give you what? A salt plus hydrogen. Okay, this is the concepts. Let's take one example, children. NaOH, sodium hydroxide, which is a base, react with zinc. Okay, it will give you sodium zincate, Na2ZnO2. This is a complex salt, children. Okay, sodium zincate, very important. Sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. So generally bases react with a metal. Okay, it gives you salt and hydrogen. Fine. Second reaction is what? A reaction with acid. Reaction with a acid. So generally bases react with a acid. What will give you? Salt plus water, right? So this is also called as neutralization reaction. Okay, take example NaOH, sodium hydroxide react with HCl, hydrochloric acid gives you water, NaCl, salt plus H2. NaCl is nothing but common salt, children. Generally we are eating. Okay, common salt. Fine. So these two reactions are there for CBSE 10th. Okay, generally which is given in the textbooks. Student, they are asking also what will happen when the bases okay, react with water. Okay, so generally bases with water, bases with water. So when you take base like sodium hydroxide, okay, pellets are there, children, in the lab. You can just if you mix with water, it will break into Na plus ion and OH minus ion. So they release hydroxyl ion. That also you should know. Bases generally release hydroxyl ion. Okay, hydroxyl ion in water. When we talk about acid, HCl in water, generally they gives H plus ion and Cl minus ion, right? If hydrochloric acid is there, H plus ion is unstable ion. So again, it will react with the water. It will give you water H3O plus ion, called as water hydronium ion. Am I clear? So these are the things. Next, children, we talk about the pH. Very important. Okay, pH scale and what type of questions they may ask you. Okay, that also we will discuss in this chapter. Here pH stands for what? Power or potential. Okay, there is a one formula that remember, pH is nothing but a negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. Okay, POH is nothing but a negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration. Okay, in exam if they ask you what is pH, so power of hydronium ion concentration or hydrogen ion concentration is called as pH. What we can write? The power of hydronium ion concentration. Hydronium ion concentration is called pH. It's called pH. Okay, so as I told you, hydrogen ion is unstable ion, right? So negative logarithm of H3O plus we can write. Okay, so here one more thing, pH plus POH, children, his value is what? 14. They may ask you in MCQs. pH plus POH how much? 14. Okay, it means the scale is devised, okay, to measure the reading from 0 to 14 only. In this, if you remember, 0 to 7 is considered as acid, 7 to 14 is considered as base. Okay, 7 is the neutral point, children. Okay, when you move from 7 towards 0, so acidic strength increases. Acidic strength increases. When you move from 7 towards 14, basic strength increases. Basic strength increases. So we can tabulate, we can write in the form of a table pH range and the nature of the solution. 0 to 7, what is the nature? Acid. 7, neutral. 7 to 14, base. Am I clear? What type of questions you may expect in the board exam related to this? You will see. They may give you 5 solutions. This is also given in the textbook, children. 5 solutions are there. A, B, C, D. This type of questions are there. Okay, 5 solutions are there. A, B, C, D and E. They will give you the pH values. Like let's say 3 is there, 1 is there, 5 is there, 9 is there, and 14 is there. Okay, so they may ask you in this which one is neutral, which solution is neutral. So neutral means what? Here let's say children B having pH value 7. I have taken the 5 solution A, B, C, D, E. pH value is 3, 7, 5, 9 and 14. Which one is neutral? Having pH 7. So solution B. B is neutral. Am I clear? They may ask you which is a strongly acidic. So you have to see the pH values. 0 to 7 is what? Acid. So there are 2 acids only, A and C, having pH value 3 and 5 respectively. Less the value, more is the acidic strength. So strongly acidic is what? A. If they ask you a strongly alkaline or basic, so there are 2 base children. Okay, having pH more than 7 is base, right? So 9 and 14, they are what? Bases. So more the value, more is the basic strength or alkaline strength. So here we can say E. If they ask you which one is weakly acidic, so in this obviously C will come. Okay, weakly alkaline, again we will check 0 to 7, sorry 7 to 14 for alkaline, right? So this and this are alkaline. Okay, less is the value, less is the alkaline nature. Okay, so here D will come. In this they will add you, okay, arrange in increasing order of hydronium ion concentration. Arrange the pH, very important, in a increasing order of hydronium ion concentration. This is given in the textbooks also, this type of question. Remember one thing children, if hydronium ion concentration increases, pH decreases. More is the hydronium ion concentration, less is the pH. Okay, so it means we can write pH is inversely proportional to H3O plus ion, which is hydronium ion concentration. Okay, or we can say hydronium ion concentration, okay, is inversely proportional to the pH. Means they are asking increasing order of hydronium ion concentration. So if the pH is more, hydronium ion concentration is less. That is inverse relation. So we can write 14 first, then 9, then 7, then 5, then 3. This is the order of increasing order of hydronium ion concentration. Means list the pH is what? A more hydronium ion concentration. Very very important. Here students will get stuck. Okay, so this is very very important concepts I have covered. Okay, this is 3 marks they are asking generally in the board exams. Okay, 3 marks. Okay, fine. If you like this video, so please share with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe the channel. Here admission is open for the academic session 2022-23. Okay, this is Sandeep sir here from Vijay Tutorial. If you want Vijay Tutorial Bangalore, okay, so you want to join for offline classes, you can contact me at this number 8050-644-272. Okay, or 9481-655-272. Okay, you can join for online classes also. Okay, thank you children.